Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Mark for Future's Cooking Amma. And today we're going to specialise in an egg tart. So first you need to have your foil, it's almost like the mould for the tart. And then you have your pastry on the inside, it's not yet cooked. And then you're going to need 2 eggs. Okay, so we're going to crack them open inside the mixing bowl. Okay, just like so. Alright, that's 1. And then there's 2. Okay, and then after that we're going to mix in some of this condensed milk. Okay, just like that, 1 portion. And then we're going to add 2 spoonfuls of sugar. 1, 2. And that's it, and you're ready to mix. So you can use either a whisk, like I'm using here, or you can use a fork. Whatever you prefer to do. Okay, so once you've given that a decent mix, alright. Okay, that looks about right. We're going to put in to our mold, just like so. Alright, and then you can have as many or as little as you want. And that is the egg tart. We're going to put that in the oven, and I'll see you later. Thank you.